When I talk about financial entanglement, what am I talking about? I'm talking about how are you and your spouse entangled. When USCIS is looking at your application, the person that should have most skin in the game is the US citizen. Because if all the bank accounts are just showing the immigrant being the one depositing money, showing the immigrant being the one spending the account, showing the immigrant being the one paying for the insurance, showing the immigrant being the one putting and footing all the bill, you can see how immigration will assume you're doing all this because it is for you, right? It is for you to get your legal status, and your spouse is not really a part of this process. So it is very important that if you are married to a U.S. citizen, that your U.S. citizen is bearing some skin in the game. For example, you know, people sometimes would say to me, when I say, do you have insurance? They would say, we have life insurance. And I say, well, how much is your life insurance? How much do you pay a month? And they're like, oh, we pay like $20 a month, and life insurance is like for, $25,000 or $50,000. That's not skin in the game. To me, like, if you are putting life insurance, like, you literally need to have you cannot have less than $250,000 to make it make sense, right? Where there's a monthly expense that's going to be paid by both parties, where both parties feel it. For the U.S. citizen, your spouses have to have skin in the game to show that this is a meaningful relationship to them and they want to be in this relationship.